Okay, so segment two. So what's going on over here?
Well, over here, Ray, I was going to build some custom cabinets, and I was sort of like, hey, I got to get to work and I got to make a living. So I incorporated the old shelves that were in one of my old vans, and it's kind of a temporary thing. Has ended up being a little more long-term than temporary. So I incorporated these into a shell of the cabinet. So it's going to be changed at some point as well.
Nice. I really like the way you've got all these hooks too, and tie down all your.
Hang everything up on my levels.
Yeah.
Try to keep them, and then up top here we have another long level, my 7-foot level. And then up here I have all my tracks for my track saw.
Oh, check that out.
Tracks for my track saw. I love my track saw. And here, actually, it isn't in the bin right now, but that's the most trade guys that are up know what a track saw is, and there it is. But yeah,
Really nice shop and van. But I got to ask you, what about this tool here? This bike. What's this about? Yeah.
well, that keeps me actually healthy enough so that I can actually continue to do my work. Because retirement isn't coming soon, so it keeps me healthy.
All right.
I'm able to move around,
Yeah, really nice. Well, thanks, Ross.
And we
Appreciate you giving me a tour of the van.
No problem, right?
And that tool bag looks like it's seen its years.
It has some years and character on it.
Yeah.
A lot of stories can be told about that. It has a lot of stories to it.
Last thing, and I failed to ask, the truck. What weight capacity did you get it in? What kind of engine do you have? And
It's the standard Sprinter, whatever comes with their standard 2500 series, which is the
2500 series.
It is the V6 3.0 liter.
Okay.
But it's standard. All the 2500s come with that. Its weight capacity, I'm not really sure actually. It's on the sticker on the side of the door, but it's it would be considered a 3/4 ton.
3/4 ton.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
You make one level up, which is the 3500, but that's the dually wheel.
Yeah. I like the step. I like the step that Mercedes built into it. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
Nice. And this is a backup camera, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Really, really nice. It actually works well.
Yeah, let me check out the cab real quick and let's see. See what it looks like.
Oh, you need that again, right?
No, it's locked, the cab. Yeah. There we go. Uh-huh. Nice. Nice. I like this little safety wall. Nice.